Before I move along, is there a card that has pricing and descriptions? Yes, the first card I pulled out. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. Today I'm super excited because I have a brand new beauty box in my arsenal to unbox. This is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. The American Influencer Beauty Bundle provides 5 to 6 full-size products and is bi-monthly and costs $34. You can pay monthly every other month for $34, or you can sign up for a 6-month or 1-year plan, which will provide a discount. Each box donates $1 to City of Hope for cancer research and for COVID-19 research. So it's nice when we purchase our box and get our beauty and skincare. We're doing a little teeny bitty part to help with cancer research or COVID-19. That makes me feel slightly better because I tend to spend a lot on beauty stuff. But hey, I'm addicted. What can I say? Okay, I am super excited. I love beauty boxes. I love getting makeup and skincare. And when it's brand new, my hopes are high that I will love this. All right, let's dig into the box and see what we got. I did not watch any spoilers. I was shocked and amazed at how quickly this came. It was shipped on August the 4th. I received it today on August the 6th, and I'm filming straight away. All right, I am super excited. Let's see what you get in this box. All right, a card fell out. Ooh, all right. It is Purlisse is the product we get this month. And the way this box works is each time it's sent, the influencer or the person they select or product range does the entire box. They curate a box. Last month, July 2020, it was Manna Kadar. So I have no idea who this influencer is. So let me take a look. Her name is Jennifer Yen, and she's the creator and CEO of Purlisse. Interesting. What little information I knew about this box, I assumed it was always the influencers were YouTube or Instagram. I did not know they got CEOs of established companies. Okay, that makes it exciting. All right, so the first item looks like a makeup bag. Apologies for the crinkling. Back here it says, give your skin a burst of energy. And it looks to be canvas in nature. And that's a pretty large size beauty bag. All right. Here we have the pink charcoal and watermelon purifying cleansing milk. This sulfate-free pink charcoal and watermelon infused cleansing milk gently cleanses the skin of impurity, removes makeup, tones, and soothes. And this retails for $9.99. Next item. This guy's big. Ooh, what is this? This is the Coconut Oil Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Awaken skin with this coffee body scrub that exfoliates, polishes, and hydrates to leave skin feeling youthful, smooth, and luminous. This also retails for $24. Okay, next item. I see a theme here. All right, we have the Coconut Oil plus Coffee Silky Body Butter. The body butter smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes, while coffee reinvigorates and awakens skin. This also retails for $24. Okay. excited. Next item. This is the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist. This Pink Charcoal Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist is a refreshing, hydrating, and soothing face mist packed with antioxidants. And it retails for $9.99. All right, let's see what the spritzer looks like. Ooh, it smells like watermelon. Let's give it a test. Okay. And it's a very light watermelon scent. Like, had I not read the word watermelon, I don't know if I would have picked up on watermelon. But it's a very soft, fruity, and quite enjoyable. The mister was fine-ish. I've had a lot worse. But, okay. Next item. This also, there's a theme. This is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, a lightweight oil-free gel cream that instantly energizes, refreshes, soothes skin while providing hydration. Wait, what? Okay, it must be a little sample size. When I saw the word balm, I thought this was like a lip product because it's the size of a lip product. But the card didn't really clarify. Is this like an eye cream or for my face? Energizing Aqua Balm. Lightweight oil-free gel cream. Okay, gel cream. So some sort of moisturizer. I'm confused. All right. Last item. We have the Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask, which retails for $24. It's an antioxidant-packed peel-off mask with a marshmallow texture that works to energize, brighten, and tighten. Okay, so I like the brand Purlisse. I love skincare, and this is skincare. This, I guess, well, it's a mix between skincare and I guess you can use it for makeup. I'm going to tally up the value and put it on the screen, and let's see what kind of value we got. All right, let's recap. We got an Energizing Aqua Balm. We got the Charcoal Watermelon Facial Spray. We got Purifying Cleansing Milk. We got a Coconut Oil and Coffee Body Scrub. We got a Coconut Oil Coffee Body Butter. We got an Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. And a makeup bag. Okay, give me your thoughts. Do you subscribe to this box? Have you heard of the box? Did you see a spoiler or someone else's video and were curious about possibly signing up? This is my first month. So far, I'm not disappointed. $34. We got a grand total of this value of products. Not too shabby. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And please leave a comment. All right, thanks everyone.